Hi, Pauric here, McNally Motors. Today I'm going to show you around our demonstration model Toyota Corolla. This is the 221 Touring Sport model, finished in a silver metallic paint. It's sold the balance of manufacturer's warranty and is entity exempt up until 2025. Now we'll take some of the features this car has to offer. It's got the front LED daytime running lights, with front fog lights also. The 16-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with excellent tyres all around. It's got very clean bodywork. It's got the mud flaps attached. It's got a large spacious boot, protective boot liner and fold down seat for additional space. It's got loads of legroom in the back. It's got the ISOFIX centre armrest and cup holders also. It's finished with a navy cloth interior, front centre armrest. It's got front and rear electric windows and electric mirrors. It's got the automatic headlights, push button start, multifunctional steering wheel, built-in cruise control with phone and radio controls. It's got a touchscreen radio with built-in Bluetooth. It also has the Android Auto and Apple Carplay built in. It's got the reversing camera. It's got the dual climate control and air conditioning. USB and aux port. Automatic handbrake with the hill start assist. Being a hybrid, it's got the automatic gearbox. It has the car SOS function. And there's just 8,948 kilometers on the clock. This Toyota Corolla Touring Sport will make an ideal sized family car, and at McNally Motors we can offer a wide range of finance options to suit your needs. Please give us a call on 043 33 45621 or visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie where you can view this car and book a test drive. Thanks very much.